Viernes, this way. Let's go. We're at the top. Come on. Oh, you're always smelling everything. I wish I knew what you were smelling. It's a whole different world for you. Taking a walk like I do twice a day with the dog. Came to the top of this little mountain and all the exercise equipment and doodads here. It really makes us kind of beg the question of what is nature? I mean, they have these beautiful paths, but then you have the lighting up here. It's like, you go to any campsite and people go camping and they bring like their TVs and their microwaves and everything else, their stereos and chargers and generators. What is nature? The next little peak, more gym equipment. Had a cold snap. It's really nice though. It's not that cold, but less people walking these paths. We'll go sit for a moment in our favorite spot, Viernes and I. Come on, Viernes. And what is nature? Like, you come up here and you look at the city. It makes you ask the question, like, how have we divorced ourselves from nature? Is the city just nature? It is. It's just like an anthill. It really is, right? It's man's construct in nature. And yet somehow, though, we think this is not nature, and then we try to go find nature. I really think we're just trying to find a different kind of nature. Something we keep destroying, but yet is deep inside of us and still a part of us. And that nature is sometimes wild and cruel and vicious. And that nature is sometimes just beautiful and passive and what the Impressionists painted. And that nature is there in the city too, though. That same cruelness, survival of the fittest, and the same beauty too. If you walk around with your eyes open on the city. We get carried away with the categories, but everything is nature. Everything is wrapped up in one. And I find that the truth of our lives and living is really just the truth of discovering that there's less separation than our egos make us believe. My apartment's down there somewhere. There's the mighty river that I go cycling out on so often along the bike paths, and it takes about 10 minutes to get out of the city or across the bridge to the other side, which is pretty much out of the city. Way in the distance you can see Woltrasan, the national park I go out to sometimes. But the natural world is everywhere. And I find what's really false and laughable is our thought that we are separate from it, and we can control nature, our own form of nature, our own form of non-nature, we call it. But nature will be here long after we're gone. Little specks that we are, all gets back. Okay, gonna put my hands back in my pockets. They're freezing. Strong north wind. Feel a little Canada in the air. Everybody, be good. Be brave. Think about things. Don't just swallow. Digest. Over and out.